Hi, I'm Josh from EasyKleen. Today we're going to check out one of our turnkey trailer package. This was purchased from a customer in Alberta, Canada. They purchased a 16-foot enclosed trailer with tandem 7,000-pound axles, insulated floor, insulated roof and walls. Also, nice little feature here is a vent safety switch. If the customer doesn't open up the roof vent, the burner will not light. It's a built-in safety. We have our 740-gallon water tank in here. Nice setup. The customer has our 300-foot A-frame hose reel with 300 feet of hose mounted on it. It's a 12-volt oil burner. Like I said before, 600,000 BTUs. This will give them 6 gallons per minute, 3,500 PSI at 200 degrees Fahrenheit. They also purchased that steam kit, which gives them abilities of getting temperatures up to 250 to 300 degrees Fahrenheit. So for certain applications, that's going to be real nice, where you don't need a lot of pressure, a lot of water. In this 20-gallon diesel tank for the boiler, the machine comes with a 48-inch wand and 5 nozzles. It automatically comes with 50 feet of hose and your steam hose. At the rear of the trailer, the barn style doors, we have the step to get in and out of the trailer, makes it easier. We were purchasing these trailers before and they were anywhere from 20 to 24 inches. We're designing these trailers to go in industrial applications, so into mine sites, into the forest, into industrial settings. So we take a lot of pride in these trailers. Stay tuned for more trailer videos, and if you have any questions, give us a call at 1-800-315-5533.